Welcome back, and in this tutorial we'll be covering different growth rate speeds, so we can have a different growth rate for the plant, how long the produce grows, and then again a different time for the ripening stage. Here's a little showcase. Right, let's head on over to our plant blueprint base. We are going to set the play rate of our different stages: plant growth, produce growth, and produce ripen. We want to do it individually, so we are going to set up 3 variables: plant growth, time, seconds. This needs to be a float, and I'm just going to duplicate. On the produce growth, duplicate. Ripen time in seconds. And so we're just going to create a function, and this will be life cycle speed. We need to create an array of our timelines: plant growth, produce growth, and the ripen. To make array. To set these, we are going to create a for loop for each loop. We also need to create an array of our time. We just need to make sure that our array is the same. So we've got plant growth in position 1, produce growth position 2, and the ripen in position 3. We just need to drag off. Okay. And set the timeline play rate. For each position, it will loop through and go through. Set that, and then what we will do is we need to get a reference at our index, and that's where it kicks in that we need to have our plant growth, produce growth, and the ripen set to the same. Once we have our index selected for the growth rate, this is where our play rate kicks in of the original time graph, because it is 1. What we want to do now is hit divide. We want to drop to the lower point, and we want to have this as 1. So if you have, let's say for instance, the growth time is 10 seconds, you will then 1 divided by 10 is 0.1, and your play rate will be playing at the speed of 0.1, hence higher the number, the longer the play rate. And now we just need to set up a execution pin. I'm just going to hit new and delete that. And we will just return upon completion. And there you have it. Compile and save. Go back to our event graph. And we just want to set this right at the beginning. So I'm just going to move that across. And we can call our life cycle speed to add it in between there. Compile and save. We want to go visible and we want to set these to 1. So now with these different variables set up, you can have different times for the different stages. Now we compile and save. If we hit play, that's that play rate, and if we go, we can actually come back, and under default you'll have your times. So let's say we want our plant growth time to take 3 seconds. Produce is going to take 2 seconds, and we'll leave the wrapping at 1. So now if I hit play, you will see it takes longer to grow, and it ripens nice and quickly. Otherwise you can check it in here by changing the default values. Alright, thanks.